In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, BigSpy and SaleSource. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a lot of time and money that you're going to waste. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. I've included the links to both SaleSource and BigSpy in the description for your convenience, so you can follow along and you can check them out. Now let's get started. BigSpy doesn't really focus directly on the product discovery in the traditional sense, but it excels in uncovering successful advertising campaigns for various products. This indirect approach allows users to identify trending products based on their advertising performance and giving insights into what is currently capturing the market's attention and driving sales. Now, what about market analysis? So BigSpy provides extensive market analysis capabilities, particularly in the realm of advertising. Users can view detailed analytics on ad performance, including engagement rates, reach, and demographic information. This allows for a deep understanding of market trends and consumer behavior, which is essential for crafting compelling advertising strategies. Let's talk about the integration with other platforms for BigSpy. While BigSpy itself does not integrate directly with e-commerce platforms for product listing or management, it's really invaluable for understanding the advertising landscape on platforms where dropshipping products are marketed, like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and much more. What about the supplier database? So BigSpy does not include a supplier database, as it's primarily focused on advertising data rather than direct dropshipping logistics. BigSpy boasts a user-friendly interface that's pretty easy to navigate. They've got lots of different filters you can use to help find different types of ads that you're looking for. The dashboard is well organized. That makes it simple for users if you want to access various features and if you want to filter, do more advanced filtering for advertisements. Customer support and community. BigSpy offers reliable customer support with options to contact them via email as well as live chat. Additionally, there's an active community of users, and BigSpy often hosts webinars and they post tutorials that are really helpful for both new and experienced users. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So BigSpy offers several pricing tiers, including a basic version going all the way up to VIP. So basic starts from $9 a month and VIP goes up to over $3,600 a year. And they also have the group as well as the Pro. Pro is their one of the most popular plans, and you can actually try it for just $1 using the link in the description. If you decide to pay yearly, then you can save between 10 to 30%, which is a significant amount, and you can see everything that's included in each of the pricing plans. Now let's talk about the automation features. So BigSpy doesn't include automation features that are related to dropshipping operations, but it can automate tracking different types of ads across different platforms, and that's really beneficial if you want to keep up to date with the kind of advertising that your competitors are doing. Let's talk about analytics and reporting. BigSpy excels in analytics and reporting with detailed breakdowns of ad performance metrics. So this comprehensive data is crucial for understanding which types of ads are most effective and why. Now, is BigSpy available on your mobile? Well, currently they don't offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for some users who want mobile access for their research and monitoring activities. So you would have to do it on like your laptop or your computer if you want to use BigSpy. So what about the reviews and user feedback? Well, feedback for BigSpy is generally very positive, especially its ability to provide in-depth advertising insights. Users appreciate the breadth of data that's available and the ease of use with which you can analyze trends and competitor strategies. But some users have complained that they'd like to have a mobile app support so they can do direct e-commerce integration and also just view their analytics on their phone if they're not at their computer. BigSpy overall is a standout tool for anyone who wants to enhance their advertising strategies as a dropshipper. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely, you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface. People like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.